So here I am driving, getting ready to go to a patient's house for a concierge visit. And what you can see on the left side is me driving. There's quite a few things I like to do and prepare myself before I go to a concierge adjustment. On the other side, you see me adjusting one of Tesla's engineers at their house. And in the next couple scenes, you're going to see some of the footage from some concierge adjustments, from the tables to the setup to the equipment. Doctor around here. I've heard there's some good advice for you guys out there with hip issues and knee issues. Most of you walk with your feet pointed out. Pigeon toe. I'm landing on the palm, the heel of my foot, and I'm getting some spinal rotation driving through my heel. Just do this one tip. You're going to dramatically change the way your feet, ankles, hips, and lower back articulate and move together. And you're going to start to reopen and regain some of that mobility you lost. Now you have to get adjusted by a very good chiropractor, or even a physical therapist knows how to do it, but 9 times out of 10 they're not gonna. Just go to a chiropractor and then just get adjusted and then work on this. Another thing I noticed is that some of my knee pain that I get rarely happens while I was driving, and I realize it's because my foot on the gas is externally rotated a little bit. So that makes it even more of an important necessity to come in and then do this type of warm-up on the Stairmaster. Heels out, toes in. Heels out, toes in.